You ready?
Sure.
P4?
Oh, you're actually filming right now.
Okay. You excited for your P4? It's time.
Well, I mean, we want to give a little details to what we're doing right now.
Okay, what are we doing right now?
Right now is day 0 of production for Deep End.
For Deep End,
which
yes.
is the film that I am the DP of. So essentially our location is up at Lake Chautauqua, which is up in New York. So we're driving up there right now. About like a 2-hour drive, which is not bad at all. Like, it's actually pretty decent.
Yeah, so we got a 2-hour drive. That's good.
Great commentary.
I'm out of practice.
Like I say, you know what I really love? I love your new microphone. Oh.
Shut up. I had to pack a lot of shit into this bag. Speaking of packing a lot of shit.
Why don't you show what's in the back right
Look at this. This is probably unsafe. I mean, this is great.
I can see the rear windshield.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
So it's legal.
It's legal. We can see the rear. But we had to pack and repack this shit, like, so much. Like, that was a whole process.
Doing this for you, Kat, so we can get a good looking film. And then we're also bringing food, so that took up a good
space.
space.
Yeah, so we got brownies, we got weenies, a blanket. We got cookies.
We just got food. We just got snacks and stuff.
Wait, what's the film actually about? What are we actually filming?
Do you want me to give a synopsis?
Yeah, just a quick, like,
I feel like this is more of a Cat question.
No, you're the, no. You're the DP.
I just shoot stuff. Like bang bang.
Okay, well, what are you shooting?
So Deep End is the story about a couple who's wants more out of life, but they kind of have this weird thing where, like, when they're together, they're like, I don't know. But when they're separate, they're like, yeah. And so, there's a reason
why. Like a really shitty couple.
So, the guy, Adrian, is like,
I want adventure in the great wide somewhere.
am I right? And then he goes out in the water and turns into a merman.
Oh, okay.
And then hijinks ensue.
Yay! And then we got a film.
Yeah.
Good.
Would you prefer if I did it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so Deep End is a story about 2 people who on their own are really well-meaning people, but together just don't work. Just don't work at all. She's gonna watch this and fucking kill me. So as far as, like, shooting stuff, hardest things we're doing are this weekend, because we have to actually shoot stuff in the water at the lake, at Lake Chautauqua.
Yeah.
So
Sean's gonna be in a wetsuit. So we're gonna vibe out. We're gonna listen to some Cars.
The song's not just for Cars. It's
for Cars.
It's a cover of a song.
We'll be listening to some Cars. Yay! How was the drive?
Oh, it was fine, yeah. It was
good?
easy.
It was chill?
Oh, it's always an easy drive up here.
That's good. There we go. So we made it.
Yeah.
We got all the equipment stowed away. Well, at least gently placed in this room somewhere. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. We're I'm building camera right now because a potential snag with the filming, because the dock that we were supposed to be shooting on is currently not up.
because it is, well, it's fairly late in the year. So
Yes.
so they rightfully so took the dock out of the water. So we'll have to kind of improvise some new solutions for that. I don't think I don't think losing the dock is that big a deal. All we have to do is just reorient some like scenes. That's about it.
Yeah. So we're gonna go out and figure out some options maybe for the new scenes with TJ, the best boy,
Yep.
the black magic pockets in my camera. And you're liking your new build, huh? We'll have to show it off. You have a new rig, kind of.
Yeah. Well, it's like similar, but like it's like more refined. I feel
Yeah.
it's just been more compact, which helps a lot.
That always helps a lot. Big old battery on TJ. You look very stoic. Okay, Sean, so our crew hasn't shown up yet.
No, they're running late.
So, yeah, they're running late. So we're getting some dinner.
Yeah, we figured since we got done with the heavy lifting with the gear and stuff, we're set, pretty good to go. So it was good. There was a bird that just flew by.
There's a bird.
And yeah, we figured to go out and get some food. This is actually one that I recommended.
What are you getting?
I'm getting this thing called the Southern Style Fried Chicken.
Yeah, look at this. So it's classic
Oh, wait.
Gouda.
No, wait, sorry, wrong
Wait,
one. Sorry, Southern Fried Chicken Gouda mac and cheese.
there it is. There it is. So
I was
it's
looking at
mac
the wrong
and
page.
cheese with fried chicken.
That sounds really fucking good.
Sounds really good. And I'm gonna get the Southwest rice ball. Rice, black beans, corn, all the good stuff. And of course, we went to a brewery and got iced tea
Yeah.
and water.
Because we are lame.
Yay!
As I say, if anyone's up at Chautauqua, come up. This is Bemus Point that we're at right now.
It's
Come up.
really
this
cute.
Is like an ideal like tourist spot.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. It's large because like other areas around the lake aren't as popular and don't have many work, but like this is like a nice like little beach town area. You guys would love. If everyone's ever up here, come and check it out. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Look at the lake out there. Like, oh my gosh. It's beautiful. And in the summertime, you said that these are like all lifted up, so you
Oh,
can
yeah,
just
it's
see
awesome.
the lake right
It's really
there.
cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, we got some pretzels. These look really good.
Yeah.
All right, this.
That looks delicious.
That looks
That
so
looks
good.
really good.
Yeah.
Your salad looks really good too.
Yeah, it's got some rice, some beans in
I'm
there.
realizing this is another scenario. Exactly opposite. We have exact opposites. I have dairy and meat. You have
Veggies.
not dairy and meat.
Yay! And the pretzel was really good, obviously. And also look at the pretty sunset. Oh, so pretty.